In this video, I'll be showing you how to add signature to PDF. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's actually super easy to go ahead and do this, but basically what you just want to go ahead and do is firstly open up your browser of choice. So we're going to be using Google Chrome for this, and the PDF document we're going to be using is this one right here. So once you open up Google, like Chrome or any browser you want, what you can do is type in Adobe Sign PDF like so, and then basically Adobe has its fill and sign a PDF online for completely free. So if you haven't got an Adobe account, you can go ahead and make one, but you don't need to. And it basically says fill and sign a PDF online for free. So then once you select the file, you can literally select anything you want, and then you're going to be able to sign any PDF. So if I press select file right now, as you can see, I have 4 PDF files on my desktop. So you can select whichever one you want. Sometimes this Adobe one does crash out a bit. So if I go back, there are going to be some alternatives that I could go ahead and use. For example, I could use pdfe.com to fill up the PDF form, or I can use PDF Simply. So it's really up to you which one you want to use. I find Adobe the most reliable for me. It's just very easy since I already use Adobe products, but you can use whichever one you find best, and it's really easy. And then you can save it again as a PDF after you electronically sign it, and then you'll be good to go.